What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitget derivatives exchange. I've seen a lot of people talk about Bitget lately. It seems like it is gaining popularity, and I've checked out here on CoinGecko. It is ranked number 9 and CoinMarketCap number 8. So it is a top 10 derivatives exchange. The good thing about Bitget, you do not need no KYC, no VPN, so you can use it anywhere worldwide. And in this episode, we're going to go through the copy trading section where you can copy professional traders. Also, we're going to go through the spot exchange and the derivatives exchange where you can use leverage for trading. And we also take a look at KCGI, which is the Bitget trading competition that they organize every year with a prize pool of up to 100 BTC and 5 million BGB, which is the Bitget token. And I'm going to show you how you can join in this competition that starts on the 30th of October. One thing that I noticed here on Bitget is that the Italian football team Juventus is the official partner of Bitget, which is very interesting. And also, you'll be getting a $630 bonus, okay, with a link in the description. So make sure to take advantage, and let's jump in straight into the video. Registering with my link in the description, you will see this tab here of $630. You need to follow the steps, okay, to get this reward, okay, of up to $630. You create your account, complete assigned task, and check your rewards, okay. Scroll down. For just registration, you'll be getting a $10 coupon, okay. Your first deposit, make your first deposit and transfer it to your futures account, and you will get a coupon of 10% of your deposit amount, okay. It will be capped at $100, okay. So if you just scroll down, also if you follow Bitget on Twitter, you'll be getting a $5 coupon. There are a huge amount of bonuses here that you can claim, okay, registering with the link in the description. First of all, I want to let you know that this is a sponsored video, so let's dive in straight here into the Bitget overview. Now, this is a super easy, friendly platform. Here on the top, you can see the windows. First of all, you want to change your language. In this case, it is English by default. You want to deposit some BTC or USDT, right? So you go to this little person right over here on the top right. You got your account information, your orders, your assets. Here's where you're going to deposit your BTC or USDT or whatever cryptocurrency. You got your security settings. If you want to put your Google Authenticator, and you got your rewards, you can claim this straight away. You got a $10 coupon here to use for futures or spot trading. So let's go straight here into the little person and go to assets and deposit your Bitcoin. I have my Bitcoin already deposited. So it's easy as just as deposit. You're going to have your wallet address. Here you got your withdraw button, and here you have the transfer button. You can change your BTC or whatever cryptocurrency you are using for spot trading or futures trading. And here at the left side, you will have your financial record, all the orders that you have made, okay. Your historical orders are going to be also right over here. So now that you have deposited your BTC, let's go to the first feature, which is the copy trading. Once you click on the copy trading tab, let's keep this really, really simple. Here you have all of the traders that you can follow, okay. If we go to the very top here, this guy has 5,562% of PNL ratio, which is absolutely insane. He has a 53% win rate. In this case, this one has 88% of win rate, which is pretty high, but they're all full over here. Let's go and find a trader that we can follow. They're usually in between 100 and 150 total that you can follow, okay. Once you reach that maximum of people, then it's full, as you can see. So for example, let's go with this one over here who has a 435% ratio, okay, of PNL, and also a 77% win rate. So let's follow this guy over here. Now, these are the cryptos it seems that he is trading. You can have a follow mode, which is unified settings or respective settings. In respective settings, if you only want this guy to trade, BTC US dollar, then you would use this section. If he's trading Ethereum, then don't trade Ethereum if you're using my money, right? But I think you want to follow any of his trades, so we just go to unified settings, and here you can choose, the minimum amount, which is $10 up to $3,000. So you can copy trade. So in this case, for the tutorial, let's go with 500 USDT. And in advanced settings, you can have your stop loss ratio, okay, in percentage. So say, if he does have a bad day, I don't want him to lose 100% of my USDT, right? So I just say, if you have a bad day, maximum you can lose is 50%. So you'll be losing 250 of that 500. You also have the profit ratio. In this case, he does have around about 400%. So, there's no limit on this. You could just say, if you do one day go go 1000% in profit, then take profits, all right, with my USDT to 1000%. Here you can use your maximum flow, which would be $500, and then you just simply go and click next and confirm, and you will follow this trader. Okay, once you do follow a trader, you just need to go here on the copy trade tab, and on the copy trade tab right over here, as you can see, just click on there, and here you will have your position open. As you can see, this is where you have your history, my trader. Okay, you click on my trader and you will see the trader here with his percentage, with how much gains you are having, or if he's been stopped out. All the information will be here once you follow the trader. Any moment that you want to stop following this trader, you will just click here at the right side on cancel, and you will not follow anymore this trader. Now let's go and see the spot exchange. Okay, so very similar to other exchanges. Here on the left side, you can choose the cryptocurrency. They do have a huge amount of cryptos, of altcoins here. As you can see, in this case, we're just going to go with the BTC USDT pair. You have your chart here. This is from TradingView. You have your order book here at the right side. So everything pretty straightforward. On the downside, you have your open orders, order history, where you can see your orders opened here or closed. All right. And here basically is where you're going to place your order. Very similar to other exchanges, right? So you have the different order types. You have good till cancelled. You have post only, where you would get triggered only at that price level, okay, with no spread. You have all these different ones, okay, immediate or cancel, or fill or kill, okay. The most common one is good till cancelled right over here. So in this case, I do have $94, about $94 worth of BTC, okay, for this tutorial. And you either buy BTC in this case if you have USDT, or you sell your BTC and get USDT right over here. So I want to sell 100% when we reach $67,000, right? For example, so I would get $100 worth of USDT. I would place the order right over here, and the order has been succeeded. As you can see, I go to the open orders and I have it right over here that hasn't been triggered yet. Okay, so easy as, you would just cancel here your order if you don't want to have it open. So the spot trading platform, very simple, very straightforward to use, as you can see. Now we're going to go through the unified futures. This would be the leverage trading section. Something really cool here that Bitget has got is that you can trade with demo USDT or demo BTC. I think it's 3,000 USDT and 1 BTC here for trading in demo, which is really good for new traders. So let's go with the Quanto Swap futures. Just to show you here, this section, you have a beginner's guide. We do not need to see this right now. You can check this yourself because I'm going to go through with you. And now you can see that this is basically the physical Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So if you do have any of these cryptos, you can leverage trade with these cryptocurrencies. Now the USDT unified account would be, all right, you have your beginner's guide here also again, basically your USDT, and you can leverage trade with all of these cryptos that they have here. They have a huge amount. They have ICP, they have Aave, they have Filecoin, BNB, Solana, Doge. They have a huge amount right over here. So let's just, you can see them on the top here. Okay, all of them spread out here in tabs. So basically, let's just go with XRP USDT. You just click here on the tab and you can clearly see you have the chart here of TradingView. You have your order book, and right over here is what we want to know. You've got cross trading or isolated trading, very similar to these other exchanges. The most popular is isolated, okay, where you can choose your 10x, 20x, or 50x, okay, long, short position on the X's here. They have, on these cryptos, they have up to 50x, okay, so you can choose here your kind of leverage, all right, or depending on how aggressive you are with your trading. And basically, here's where you are going to place your order. You have your limit order. You can choose market order to enter directly into the market. So in this case, we're just going to go with limit order, right? You can choose the price you want to enter, the percentage of how much you want to risk. So say you want to risk 10% of your account in this trade, and also place your take profit. In this case, we'll go with $2 and stop loss at $1. And it's going to be a buy order. You will have your confirmation box, okay? And then you will just confirm here for the trade. Once you click on confirm, you will have your order position right over here on open orders. Once it's triggered, it's here in positions, as you can see. So very straightforward. straightforward, very similar to other exchanges. Now that we've gone through the trading platforms, let's go to the KCGI, which is the trading competition. You have a tab here at the top right, as you can see, and they have a prize pool of up to 100 BTC, 5 million BGB, which is the Bitget token. Now, all depending if you want to join a team or you want to be an individual, all right, you still have up to the 30th of October to join here in the competition, and the competition is all the way till the 20th of November. Now, if you want to be an individual, okay, you can just click into the individual competition and register from here. So just click here, register now. As you can see, there's up to 50 BTC, I think, all depending on how many people there is going to be. Okay, you've got DJI drones, okay, all these prizes, as you can see. Currently, there's 1,084 people, okay, while I'm doing this video. So there's a prize pool of 5 BTC. If it does get to 30,000 people, there'll be 50 BTC as prize pool, okay? So I think realistically, you know, this could go to $10,000 or $20,000. So there might be a prize pool of 20 BTC, and the reward distribution for the first place is going to be 40% of the prize pool. So if we do get, just by now, there is 5 BTC. If you win the competition, you're getting 40% of that, which would be around about 2.4 BTC, right? Something like this. You got prize for the second place. Second place will be getting 20%, third place 10%, and 30% is going to go from the 4th place to 10th, okay, places, as you can see. So even though you ranked 8 in the competition, you'll be getting a prize also, as you can see, which is absolutely amazing. Now, let's go here. You just have to register. A minimum amount is 300 USDT, which is great, okay? And the competition is usually by percentage of gain. So even with 300 USDT, you can join this competition. Right, now, if you want to join a team, you will just click here on Team Battle, all right? And scroll down, we have also create a team. If you want to create a team, if you've got friends that are traders, you can create a team and, and just let them join you. You have the prize pool of 50 BTC, a PS5 game console, as you can see, and NFTs as prizes. So currently there's 94 teams. All right, if it does reach 500 teams, it will be 50 BTC as prize pool. Currently now it is 10 BTC, just about to reach that 20 BTC as prize pool. Only 6 teams left, as you can see. So scrolling down, you can choose your team right over here. You've got English division, Korean. So let's just go with English division, and you can join, this one right over here. It's got 3 members. So you just click here on join, confirm, and the minimum amount is 300 USDT also here to join this team. So this is basically it, guys. The prize pool here for the teams, 10% for the captain, all right? So whoever's the leader is getting 10% of the prize pool. And also here for the first place, 30%. So if the prize is 20 BTC and there's 3 people in the team, okay, or 5 people in the team, this means that the 30% of that 20 BTC is going to be around about 6 Bitcoin, right? Something like that, 5-6 Bitcoin. It's going to be distributed to those people inside of the team. We got second prize, third prize, and also 4th and 10th prize, okay, is 30%. So all that 30% of the BTC left, even though the team has been 7th, all right, and there's 3 in the team, they are going to get also a prize, as you can see, which is absolutely great. Pretty simple, guys, to join in. You just need to scroll down and register. You join here, like I said, just if you like this guy here, then you will just click into join. And basically that is it, guys. You will be ready inside of this competition. So that is going to be it for this quick overview of Bitget, guys. Pretty simple. They have a great competition right now. It's a great platform. It is ranked top 10, okay, on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They have more volume than Phoenix in the last 24 hours. So it is growing very, very fast. Thank you, guys, for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.